like school year?
I mean, I think there are only 3 guests not from our organization. So those are the students. Everyone else is from USF, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Do they have access to the chat, Haley?
I don't know what the settings are for these. I wasn't the one to set up the technical side of this.
They do. I think they do. I think they do because I do too. But sometimes guests don't. All right. We can get started. So, Okay, great. Thank you, Miranda. Okay, so I have a presentation prepared for you guys. So we'll be doing, like, I'll introduce you what we use to make our little, like, cars. And let me share my screen for a second. Thank you for your patience. Oh no, that is a really bad angle. Okay. I'll show you guys a little bit around as like a starter, and you can like ask questions, and then we can jump into presentations and Kahoot and things like that. Oh, can you guys see my screen? Okay, that is a yes. So this is our lab. These are the little Lego cars that we coded. So one is like a line tracking robot, and one you'll code to be like object avoidance. So obstacle, yeah, obstacle avoidance. And so we're IEEE, like I said. And here is like where we make an electric car, and we race it, and we have like all these trophies from that. And this is like a soldering station. I don't know. So we like melt metal together, kind of. That's what it is. And here, more projects. We're involved in like competitions for that. This is one of the old ones up there. We competed last year, but it was virtual. And some like tanks, little tanks. Yeah. And yes, do you guys have any questions on our 3D printer? Okay.
I mean, I think it would be nice to show them the effects lab, if it's possible.
Yeah. Oh my God, I'm not gonna, I don't think I'm gonna walk over there, but okay. I don't know. Oh no, I did not notice the second one was on. Okay. All right, so we'll jump into the presentation I have set up. I just wanted to introduce what Arduinos are. I'm not sure how old you guys are, so does anyone know what Arduino is? Just raise your hand.
I do.
Thank you. Cool, thank you. I'm assuming no for others. Okay, no worries. Introduction. Blake, would you like to, Thomas, would you like to give them an introduction about it, or should I?
I don't know.
I will.
Okay, thanks.
Cool, cool, cool. So, let me. Actually, I'll do this. 1 second. Okay. So yeah, Arduinos. So they're like little microcontrollers, and we usually make them to do a lot of things, from the cameras, planes to cars. We usually no, like not the Arduino itself, but like different versions. So Arduino is a microcontroller, so that's what we use to make to control things. And you connect it with wires. You can connect it with wires, make interesting projects. Like I showed you the cars in our lab, they're made with this. So yeah, so like I said, they're a microcontroller, and they kind of like a small computer. They control what you can do with your motors, with your ultrasonic sensors, anything like that. And does anyone want to contribute what we can use a microcontroller with for? Okay, and so yeah, so we can use it for basically everything. Everything we see, cameras, laptops, iPads, anything you name it. So all right, I was gonna show you the working data collection. Yeah, Valentina, thank you. Exactly. And I was just gonna show you the working robot. So we do have one that's like an obstacle avoidance. I was gonna have you guys code it, but I'm running into some technical issues right now, and I already did. So this is it. So here it is. This is not. Okay, so this is the wrong one. Okay, yeah, this is it. So over here, so right now it's moving because it's not detecting anything in front of it. But if I put it down and just like put my hand in front of it, let me put it on the floor actually. Hey guys. Okay. I don't think he is. Okay. So I'll turn it on. And so if I put my hand in front of it, it won't move. but if I remove my hand, it'll like go right ahead, like without putting my hand. So yeah, so it's like moving anywhere it wants because, yeah, so how it works is that those little like eyes, they sound out like an ultrasonic wave, and if it hits something and comes back, you know that something's there, right? And if it doesn't come back for a long time, then whatever's there is kind of far. So that's how it works, and it's close. It uses like the speed of sound. I don't know if anyone knows what that is. What about the speed of light? Okay. So yes, the speed of sound is, I think, almost 342 miles per second. And so yeah, that's how it works. Okay. Does anyone know the speed of light? You can unmute if you know and just like say it out. Okay, so I'll show you I was gonna show you the synthesizer. Oops, okay, unplugged it. So again, we made this like using an Arduino. All right, yeah, we made this using an Arduino. So what it does is you're gonna, it basically, you change the resistance of these potentiometers and it changes the sound along with it. So we have this, here's the little Arduino, and then here are what it's connected to. If I turn it on, let me just like plug it in. Right, I think it's on. Let me check. Okay, do you guys hear that noise? It's not a good noise, but but I can turn it up, change it a little bit by turning these knobs. Okay. And I did have like a last thing I wanted to show you, which was a wireless charger. But so you guys must be busy. But basically, if you bring these two close together, I think it got like unplugged, or I need more sandpaper. But if you bring these two close together, the LED lights up over here. How it works is that because you have like two coils, there's an electromagnetic field going through it, and you're passing a current through those coils, so that's what makes like an electromagnetic field, causing the LED to light up. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. But yeah, so I was gonna also do like a little Kahoot. I'll send the Send. Just for a second. Let me share my screen again. You guys can join the game. So this is the code. If you go to kahoot.it, you can join in. They're really easy questions. Don't worry. It's like, I don't know. I think they were easy. Yeah, they're easy. Don't worry. Just so we can see. Can you guys join? Oh, great. Thank you. You can go to it on your computer too. So just kahoot.it and then put in the code. Are you guys able to find it? Great. Okay. Let's get started then. Okay. Which of the following is not a programming language? Okay, yeah, so TYP is not a programming language, that's correct. What did we use to move the Lego car for the obstacle detection? Did we use a timer, FPGA, or Arduino? Yes, that is correct. Okay, we go next. 3D printing, I know we didn't mention any of that, but can you guess how small it can be? How small can we 3D print something? Pencil's tip, a coin, or an ant's forehead? These are pretty small. Yeah, we can 3D print, well, not here in our lab, but in general. You can print as small as an ant's forehead, so it's pretty interesting. Sunset on Mars appear. Okay, this might seem a random question, but there is a launch for the Mars Perseverance, I think on Thursday. So I thought that would be a pretty interesting fact to know. So how do the sunsets on Mars look? Little hint, it's opposite birth. Yeah, they look blue. So that's pretty fun. And I think this is, what's your favorite part of the exhibit? This is the last question. Oh, I did not show the orb or the motors, but yeah. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, thank you for playing. And if you just joined us, welcome. All right. Who won? Haley, congrats. Okay. Does anyone want to unmute, share any thoughts, any comments, anything you want to see?
I had no idea that sunsets on Mars were like that.
I know. That's pretty cool.
That was a very cool, fun fact to know. Thank you.
No problem. And apparently, like during the day, the sky seems like red, so it's like kind of the opposite of us. So that's pretty interesting. Okay. I just saw the comments. Okay. Does anyone want to see anything else? I don't know who just joined us. You can chat or you can like unmute your mic. One second. Okay, that would be it for the exhibit. I had a few more things set up, but technical difficulties. First day technical difficulties. Thank you guys for being patient, and thank you for stopping by.
Thank you, Rana, for preparing this great exhibit. It was a lot of fun.
Thank you, Valentina, for stopping by.